The derby today that we have been waiting to see, Gaddaffi versus Busoga, has come to an end. Busoga carrying the day. Both teams have been prepared, but we also had some few problems of licensing, which I know even my opponents also had the same. But my boys were determined. The ones who came to play, we also knew that they are Super League players, so I have no doubt. They were courage, they were strong. The team was strong, we were also strong. But the best team took the day, which was us. So I thank my boys.
It was concentration, but we are going to work on that. We are going to work on that. I promise we shall bounce back. We saw some errors, we relaxed a little bit, and we gave out easily goals. Because we saw easy miscommunication, but we are going to rectify that and we shall bounce back.